This is the Risk EZ-5 gallon. For today. This thing is awesome. I love it. I'm in love with it. I love how easy it is to carry. I love that I can cap it off and it snaps into the back of my truck. So I'm going to show you a video of just installing it and all the different parts. And then, yeah, just what I love about it. This is what I've been using forever. This is a no spill. You can get. I'm so sick of it. They're great because they don't spill. The main thing I hate about it is when you pour, you have to press this green button. So you can't just pour it and hold the tank comfortably, and it slips off right here, this little thing the whole time. Drives me nuts, sick of it, done. The VP ones, I don't like them either. They can tip over easy. There's not a good way to strap them down in my vehicle. I know people have used these forever. It's too tall for my truck bed because I have a flat cover over it. It's too tall. But when you pour these, there's only one good handle with a lip here. And then if you want to vent to make the gas pour, the gas will actually pour out of that sometimes. That may be just user error because I'm opening it up too much, but I want to be able to open it up all the way so it goes fast. So I don't like these VP ones. This one I just bought, and this is what I'm doing the review and how-to on it and how to install it in your truck. So just a quick overview. It's clear, obviously. This is to let air out, which will make the flow go faster. This little guy here. Now when you buy it, this cap has a little thing on it, a little cap inside the cap. So that when you get to your destination, you can actually use this tool, this little cap holder, as a tool to twist that open if you want it to be really tight. So when you do that, it's threaded in here, and there's gaskets in here to keep it from leaking. So you pull that guy out, and you can put the cap back on, nice and snug. Then the nozzle, you have to buy this separately. If you buy this only, you won't be able to pour gas. So just know that. So this is the nozzle. When you get it, there will be a piece of paper in this nozzle, and you'll have to. There's two little Allen screws here. You'll need to tighten those up as well. And then there's a little one on top that holds this cable here. So what you do after you tighten those up, screw it on to the threads, and there's a little gasket here too. That is on. Okay. And what's cool, so there's only two handles. This one right here and this one. It'll rest on whatever cap right there on your motorcycle or four-wheeler or whatever. And then again, let this out and it should let more fuel run out. And that's it. I'm going to show you how to mount it on the truck. But below, you've got this where you can lock it, and this where you can. And once you mount this in your vehicle, you just set it in this side first, and then this back side pops right in. And it pops right out as well. Oh man, that's in there. That's not going anywhere. Pull it out. Back. Now I want to show you a bird's eye view. I ended up putting it here instead of all the way against here because I still have my tie down strap I use, and the lip to my cover, truck bed cover, is in the way to take it off. So just from a bird's eye view, put that in first. I'll put the back end in. It's still relatively out of the way. I'd like it further to the left, but that's okay. I can still use this strap if I need to. And I can always move this again, but just with the unevenness of the bed, since this will not fit with my truck bed closed, my plan is just put it just like that. And I don't think that's going anywhere. If it does, no big deal. But that's it. This part's gonna seem very silly, but walking with this thing, I'm scrawny. Carrying this thing, man, it's so much easier than those other red piece of craps that I have. So this is really nice. It's a Honda CB350. So what you gotta do, this is my first time to do this, so unscrew that cap, then pull that cap down here. It holds right there. And then I'm gonna unscrew the little air vent thing. The bad news is this bike is pretty full already. Well, let's see the ease of use of this. And I didn't tighten down stuff real tight just to test out how tight I need it. Oh my goodness, I already love this. Oh yes. It's great. That was awesome. Cap it back off, and we're good to go. Man, so much better. I love how easy this thing is to pick up as I hit it on the thing. So, just pull it up, set it in here. It's on. I get this, set it like that. It's not going anywhere. Now an even better view. See here, I mean, this thing is, that's awesome. I'm happy with the spot I put it too. But close my tailgate, still got room there. Awesome. See how hard it is to get it out. Super easy, one-handed with the phone. Oh, it's great. So in conclusion, this EZ-5 Risk brand. Again, I'll put the link below. I love it. Can't wait to use it more. Just pours great. It's easy to transport. You can put it in something to mount it to your truck, so it's not always sliding around. I would buy this any day over those other two. Yep, hope you enjoyed it.